Earn as much money as you want, as often as you want, even if you don't have your own camera. All you have to do is click on these photos and click on the download button, and boom, you'll be paid through this website, which is available worldwide. And yes, even you who are currently watching can do it and earn money online. This is a fantastic approach to make money because you won't have to report to anyone and will have complete freedom. Let's start with the first website I'll show you, which is Crello.com. As you can see from the homepage, this is a designer website where you can come and use the thousands of templates that this site has to offer, such as designing an Instagram post or an Instagram story, and so on. So yes, it's a website for designers, but what if you don't have any design experience to begin with? To be able to perform this job, you don't need to be a qualified or professional designer. You literally do not need any expertise. And you'll quickly discover that this is extremely simple and the entire technique is extremely straightforward as promised. Anyone can do this and generate income by simply following the instructions in this tutorial. When you first arrive on this site, the first thing you should do is sign up by clicking the sign up icon in the upper right corner. To add to that, this is a completely free platform, so you won't have to invest anything. It's worth noting, however, that they do have certain price plans, so if you want to use them in the long run, you'll have to pay them when the trial period ends. But that won't be a problem due to the amount of money you'll be able to make using this website. Anyways, you'll be directed to this website to join up, and you can do so by connecting your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts to Crello, or you can simply opt to sign up via email and enter your email address and password in these two boxes. Then click sign up and you're done. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see and use all of these templates, which range from Instagram stories and post templates to YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts. As I mentioned earlier, this website is unique in that it is a website for designers. If you have even basic design skills, you can use this platform to create YouTube thumbnails, which can earn you a lot of money in the long run. Thumbnails, on the other hand, will not be covered in this video because they require design skills to create. But you can design the rest, and this platform doesn't require any special expertise because, as you can see, the templates are essentially done for you. All you have to do now is modify them according to your customers' preferences, and being compensated is as simple and straightforward as that. This is how the website's editor looks like. As we all know, good templates are useless if you can't alter or edit them correctly, or if the editor isn't up to par. And in terms of this platform, the editor is great to say the least. You can change the background colors and, of course, the text positioning, size, and font. You can also type whatever you want. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now that you know what Crello is, let's get started. But first, let me show you how you'll be compensated. The platform in question is Latium.org, which you can see right now. And for the uninitiated, this site is a freelancing platform where ordinary people like you and me come to sell our talents such as transcriptions, graphic design, poster design, and many others. What I need you to do right now is go to this site and register, because we won't be paying anyone and we'll be the ones selling our services. Click on the I want to work here button and you'll be taken to another page where you'll need to enter your email address and then click on I'm not a robot and then sign up. You'll then be prompted to enter other information about yourself, such as your first and last names, as well as a password. After you've entered all of that information, you'll be able to sign up. Now, by clicking on the Browse button here, you can browse through other projects on the following page on the left side of the screen. However, since we're here to get paid for our design, you'll want to go straight to the Graphics and Design category. From there, you'll see people who are willing to pay a lot of money for a variety of designs or any services. In this situation, a logo design could cost up to $30. Let's stick with this example to show how quickly you can create one with Crello. Simply go back to Crello.com and type the word logo into the search field. and the platform will present you with hundreds of ready-to-use logos. Keep in mind that a designer would normally have to create a logo from scratch, but in this case, thanks to Crello, you already have one. All you have to do now is pick one of these. And which one you pick will depend on what your customer wants from you. When you open a logo, all you have to do is change the text to fit your style. If you download it and then email it back to the customer online, you could make $30 to $40 for a few minutes of work that isn't even difficult to do. Remember that the logo design I used as an example will only earn you a small amount of money. But don't worry, because you can earn a lot more money by designing more logos, you can literally just repeat the process to earn as much money as you want. All you have to do now is find a client who requires your services. If you want to earn a lot of money, just follow all of the steps I mentioned earlier. And that's it.